In today's fast-paced world, it's essential to surround ourselves with positivity and healthy relationships. Unfortunately, sometimes we find ourselves entangled with narcissistic individuals whose toxic behavior can take a toll on our mental and emotional well-being. In this video, we'll delve into the steps you can take to detoxify your life and bid farewell to the narcissist, ensuring a path towards self-improvement and happiness. Recognizing the signs. Understanding narcissistic behavior. Before embarking on the journey of detoxification, it's crucial to recognize the signs of narcissistic behavior. Narcissists often exhibit traits such as a constant need for admiration, lack of empathy, and a sense of entitlement. Identifying these red flags is the first step towards reclaiming your life. Setting boundaries. Establishing clear communication. Once you've identified the narcissist in your life, it's imperative to establish firm boundaries. Clearly communicate your needs, expectations, and limits. This will create a framework that protects your well-being and prevents further manipulation. Cultivating self-compassion. Prioritizing self-care. Detoxification begins with self-compassion. Prioritize self-care activities that nurture your physical, emotional, and mental health. Engage in practices such as meditation, exercise, and journaling to foster a strong sense of self-worth and inner peace. Seeking support. Connecting with like-minded individuals. Navigating the path towards detoxification can be challenging, but you're not alone. Seek out support groups, therapy, or online communities where you can connect with individuals who have shared experiences. Surrounding yourself with a supportive network will provide validation and strength. Embracing growth and healing. Focusing on personal development. Detoxification isn't just about removing toxicity, it's also about embracing growth and healing. Engage in activities that promote personal development, such as pursuing hobbies, furthering your education, or embarking on a new career path. This will empower you to move forward with confidence and purpose. Cutting ties. Implementing no contact. In some cases, the most effective way to detoxify your life is by implementing a strict no-contact policy with the narcissist. This means severing all forms of communication and disengaging from their presence entirely. While it may be difficult initially, it's a crucial step towards reclaiming your autonomy. Practicing gratitude. Focusing on positivity. As you embark on this journey towards detoxification, remember to focus on gratitude. Cultivate an attitude of appreciation for the positive aspects of your life. This shift in perspective will serve as a powerful anchor, helping you stay committed to your path of healing. Detoxifying your life from the influence of a narcissist is a courageous and transformative journey. By recognizing the signs, setting boundaries, prioritizing self-compassion, seeking support, embracing growth, cutting ties, and practicing gratitude, you'll pave the way for a brighter, more fulfilling future.